Looking for your next big real estate investment in Silicon Valley? This house has incredible potential to turn into your dream project and a great profit opportunity. Let's head inside and check it out. Hey guys, Shar.realtor here, your Bay Area realtor. Today we're looking at a fantastic property. And let me tell you, this isn't just any property. It's a fantastic fixer-upper priced at $2,250,000 that's full of potential. Whether you're an investor or looking to create your dream home, this could be the one. Now, you could remodel this home for a lower cost and in a shorter amount of time. However, I personally wouldn't recommend that because the floor plan is a bit off, mainly due to the addition of the extra square footage in the family room. Even though that addition is set to be permitted, just to be on the safe side, it's better to go the fixer-upper route and rebuild it from scratch. This way you can create a modern, open floor plan that's much more desirable and functional. All right, let's dive into the property itself. This is a single-family home with a generous lot size of 6,000 square feet. Inside, you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a layout that's great for reimagining. The living space gets amazing natural light, and the kitchen, it's beginning to be opened up into a sleek, modern design. There's also a lot of potential to add square footage in the backyard, which is spacious and versatile. Picture adding an outdoor kitchen, a gazebo, kids' playground, or whatever your heart desires. This place is ready for someone with a vision. Now, let's talk about location because that's half the battle in real estate, right? This neighborhood is one of San Jose's most sought after areas. You're also getting access to the Cupertino School District, which is one of the best in Northern California. Plus, you're close to Santana Row, Valley Fair Mall, De Anza College, and beautiful local parks. You've got excellent schools, awesome parks, and some of the best dining spots just minutes away. And for all my tech folks out there, this home is super close to major companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, Nvidia, and Netflix. Living or investing here means you're right in the heart of Silicon Valley. That's not just convenient, it's a huge selling point for future buyers. Okay, so let's do some math. Here's where it gets really exciting. This home is listed at $2,250,000. Let's say you buy it for $2.5 million and you put about $400,000 into renovations. You're looking at a total investment timeline of around 10 months. That includes 4 to 5 months to get permits and another 4 to 5 months for construction. Once the rebuild is complete, the home could sell for at least around $3.4 million. After deducting $170,000 in agent costs, your net profit would be approximately $330,000, which is a solid return in less than a year. But again, remember, these numbers are just hypothetical numbers, but they could work for you. And again, I wouldn't recommend this as a quick flip because we're starting with that odd floor plan due to the addition of the family room in the back of the house. It is not worth spending all this money on a layout that's both old and unconventional. A brand new build would make a lot more sense for a property like this. So what do you think? If you've been searching for the perfect fixer-upper or a smart investment opportunity, this could be it. Whether you're flipping or building your dream home, this property has the potential to be something amazing. And if you need a trusted general contractor here in the Bay Area to help you make it happen, my husband, Amir Pishgahi at Abstract Construction, is here for you. You can reach out to him at 408-809-6550 for a free consultation and expert advice. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today on this home tour. If you like this type of video where I showcase fixer-uppers and flip opportunities, make sure to like this video and leave me a comment below. Let me know what areas you're looking to find fixer-uppers or off-market opportunities, and I'll bring them to you. This video is a little different from what I normally post, which are luxury home tours in the Bay Area, but I wanted to know if you guys would be interested in seeing more fixers too. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more real estate content and share this with someone who's ready to invest. Remember, the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.